Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we've gone over my nighttime skincare routine. It's only right that we talk morning and daytime. So my first step in my routine is to grab my Equate Beauty Clarifying Charcoal Cleanser. Just 2 pumps of this directly into the palm. Gonna wet my entire face. Just make sure it's nice and wet. Rub hands like Birdman once again. And I'm going to go in with upward circular motions. And I'm just going to gently rub the cleanser onto my skin, forehead. Just make sure I'm really cleansing the face, but I'm doing this gently and in upward circular motions, okay? Just make sure that it's really clean. I'm getting just all of the leftovers from last night on. Then I'm gonna go in and just wash my face, make sure I'm getting all of the cleanser off. I'm gonna take a clean towel and I'm gonna gently pat my face dry. Now it's time for toner. I like to use my Arbonne Regenerating Toner from the RE9 Advanced line with a cotton pad, 3 to 5 pumps, and then directly apply to the skin. I'm applying to my entire face and I'm even gonna get under my chin. Toner is great to use, especially directly after cleansing. You want to use immediately after cleansing because it removes any leftover makeup and dead skin cells. So a toner is great to have in your arsenal, especially if you have oily skin. Now to help with the drying process, I'm just gonna fan, make it go faster so that we can apply our serum. Again, I'm using my Shea Bella Timeless Age Defying Serum, 2.5 pumps. And then I'm going to apply with my fingertips. I'm going to apply on my whole face, but I'm going to start with my forehead, cheeks, chin, nose, just like the most important areas. But you definitely want to make sure you're getting your neck. Now, we often forget about our neck, but it's just important as the rest of our face because we'll start to see signs of aging there as well. And again, we don't want droopy skin, so upward circular motions. I'm gonna keep repeating that to you guys until you're dreaming about it. Upward circular motions, okay? Always. Now, as the serum starts to dry a little bit, it leaves your face feeling super tight, which is great, which is what you want. But it can feel a little sticky or drying, so you need to moisturize. I love the Equate Beauty Oil-Free Ultra Gentle Facial Moisturizer, which I featured in my Walmart haul, but along with some of these other products. I'm gonna apply this pretty liberally. It was under $10, so I don't feel bad about that. But as I said, I suffer from normal to dry skin, but drier in the fall and winter cooler months. So I need to make sure I'm moisturizing. And again, I'm doing this in upward circular motions. Just remember that. So I'm just applying, massaging it in so my entire face and neck is left looking real glowy, looking moisturized, not dry and ashy and crackling at all. And as you can see, it leaves my skin looking glowy and lush. And that is it. It's quick, it's short, it's perfect for the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's rude if you don't, okay? I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.